again we have come in political science of class 12. Student, today we are going to start topic second. Now I will have political socialization. Yesterday we already have learned that how after Second World War, how many things were changed. Today we are going to learn about tools of political socialization. Tools of political socialization. In that, so many societies has come out. In society, lots of things were changed. Lots of educational institute has come. Social politics things has come. Lots of things has come in social work, in socialization, in society, and many people has come as a politician. A new variation has come, new things has come, new technology has come. Everybody have started something or the other new. In what? In tools of politics socialization. Tools of politics socialization. That was the thing when the society started changing. A new institute started growing up. Many education centers, schools, colleges, etc. Lots of things has come out. The same way, students, family. In family thinks about their children. What is the better thing for them, for their growth, for education? Before people, they were not so interested for education, basically for girls. They were not taking any interest because lots of things were there. They were not allowing their children to go there to participate in that. But now see, family have given lots of support to their children. They were giving good education to their children. Many good manners, many good things. Everything, even in family also, the life was changed. Now we will talk about the educational institute. Educational institute. What is the educational institute? Educational institute is, do you know that many new school has been opened? Not only government school, but there are many private school has opened where children used to go for the educations. Even before, people were sending their children to Hindi medium school for learning. Basically, they were learning Sanskrit. But after that, they started, when the schools were open, new things started. The children have started going even in private school. And this was the big thing. Even new institutes, for the girls also school has been opened. Not only for boys. For girls, there were many colleges has been opened. So children, I will like to tell you that you should learn this chapter properly. You should make question answers. You should make notes. When you have got the book, already you read this chapter, you read the book, and while reading the book, you must make your own concept, your own notes. You have to write down. And I want to tell you all that I have given you some question answers, some topics, something you have to write down, and within 3 hours you have to submit me that. After 3 hours you have to submit that. So children, now you know that what is the after World War, how many things were changed, how the society was changed, how the education was changed, how the family was changed, and how the educational society was changed. So I have told you about it. Now you read the book properly. You already have got the book. Once I will like to tell you, while after seeing this video, you must read your book. Okay children, thank you and take care.